A biotech company called Colossal Biosciences has raised $200 million to bring back extinct animals to life. Is this possible with the help of AI, genetic engineering, and scientific knowledge that we humans currently possess? It's possible. Some of it is possible. Look, it may still be completely far fetched to bring dinosaurs back to life, for example. The question is, how do we do this, right? Let's say I have $200 million. Then I have a lab with the best technicians and bioengineers, geneticists, and all that. Now, how do I bring an extinct animal back to life? Whichever extinct animal I want to bring back to life, first of all, I will need its DNA, its uncorrupted, contaminated DNA, which means that I will need to find this animal, a specimen of this animal in a frozen state, maybe from the permafrost or whatever. And one such animal is the woolly mammoth, which went extinct about 10,000 years ago. Homo sapiens hunted it out of existence. That's what we believe. Now, you do find frozen mammoths from time to time in the Siberian permafrost and various parts of the world, Siberia, and etc. So we have reasonably good frozen specimens. We, in time to time, they find frozen mammoths, frozen mountain lions or saber-toothed tigers or whatever. So we have a few high-quality frozen samples of these extinct animals. And if something was frozen, if an animal was frozen, let's say 30,000 years ago, you should be able to, all its organs, all its fluids, body fluids, blood, etc., will be frozen perfectly well. It should be not that difficult to extract high quality DNA samples from it. So let's say now you have your DNA sample, okay? Woolly mammoth, a cave lion, or whatever. Now that you have the DNA, all you have to do is to use a technique similar to cloning. In cloning, what you do is, well, I'll not go into the technical details, but you take out the DNA and insert it into an unfertilized egg, and you do something that makes the egg start dividing. That's the long and the short of it. Not giving you a technical explanation, but that's how it's done. How Dolly the sheep was cloned and how cloning is generally done. A very similar kind of thing you do to make this happen. So once you have the DNA, which is in good condition, then all you do is essentially you take an egg from an elephant, let's say, for a woolly mammoth, to bring a woolly mammoth back to life. You take an animal that's very similar, which is, let's say, the elephant, and you implant the DNA in the elephant, and you induce the egg cell, the single egg cell, to start multiplying. And that's how you get it done. That's one of the techniques that you can use. So it's definitely possible. If you have a cave lion whose DNA you are able to extract, then you would want to use a regular lion's egg cell, most likely. Yeah, a regular lion. So you take, you see, you sedate, you sedate, you sedate a lioness and gently take out one of the egg cells, and then you implant the DNA into that, and then you can have it implanted into the lioness again after it starts dividing, that sort of thing. So it's definitely possible with the kind of understanding of genetics and biotechnology that we currently have. It's certainly possible. So I think it may happen soon. In the next decade, you may have woolly mammoths back on planet Earth. It's possible. It is certainly possible.